Hi, I'm Alex Clements of the Prestige Realty Group, and it's my pleasure to introduce 42 Glendew of the Rolling Acres community here in Whitby. We have a detached 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom on a very private and spacious lot. Please come take a look. Thanks for watching the tour. If you or anyone you know would like some more information or to book a private viewing, please contact me directly. We're hosting open houses on Saturday and Sunday this weekend from 2 until 4. Hope to see you there.